Founding director and mentor, Dr. Timothy Elliott, taught me that systems change happens at many levels.
I would hope that a student receiving this award would feel a certain amount of pride knowing that so much has gone into making this award real and substantive and meaningful. The hard work people put into developing this clinic, maintaining this clinic. So policy relevant research is the kind of research we do that helps drive our decision making and our resource allocation and our managerial and administrative decisions about how we use our capabilities and our facilities. There is so much going on right now. We can meet people where they are, and we can provide high quality service and improve their quality of life, and in that improve the communities, the life and the spirit of those communities and their local economies. It really is a process that you have to put yourself in a situation, you have to nurture and fertilize and take care of the ideas that you have, and then you have to keep looking for the resources and the right people to bring it together. As a practitioner, as a citizen, this is something that can help direct and guide their thinking about their career and how they're going to work in their communities, how they're going to be as a psychologist. There's a time for us to do the hard work with data, to think about what's the best way to serve our clientele, but also blend in vision, ideas, and have the courage and find the right place and the wherewithal to pursue those ideas and that vision. This came about because, despite what other people said, we stayed the course. And this came about with the right people in the right place at the right time. So yeah, I want somebody to feel that aspiration to move forward.